tell her the ugly words and make it better.
Shit's about to.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10,
listening once again,
with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that chooses the wish of Barney and Ben.
dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope for Janice and Jen.
And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
My sister died from cancer. Can you do black, blue, and white, please? Yes, of course, and I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope if this was her favorite colors, I hope she likes it, and I hope you like it. And thank you so much for your support. That's always greatly appreciated. But yeah, let's get started. Let's throw in some of that black. I'm kind of just gonna go throw it like that and kind of go back right over it. But yeah, let's do it. Let's spin it. I hope if you like this video and like how it turns out, share it. Ah! Oh my goodness. It looks awesome already. Oh my goodness. I hope you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation.
So a question that I see repeatedly in my comments and my DMs is what comes with the self-defense keychain. So every keychain comes with a wristlet. This one just so happens to be one of the handmade ones. It comes with the chapstick holder. It comes with this LED light / safety alarm. So you press this button and this is the LED light. This is the speaker and I will show you how to use the alarm. It comes with this window breaker and self-defense tool in one. I cannot demonstrate because I posted it before and TikTok took it down for violence. It comes with a pepper spray that locks and unlocks, And then it just comes with a cute pom-pom just to make the whole keychain look put together.
Show you guys this ashtray I've been working on. The client wanted gold and red, so I kind of worked a little bit with what I had to make her a gold and red ashtray. I haven't taken it out of the mold. This is my first time taking it out. I don't know how the design turned out because I can't really see, but let's see if I can take this off on camera. Damn, this thing is hard. I'm gonna break it. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I think I got it to unstick like through all sides. Now I just have to pull it out, kinda. Why is this so hard? I don't have enough time. Come on. I'm gonna break a nail. If I break a nail, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got this much off of it. So let me just take off the rest. But this, wow, is cute. Little red detail.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up. Spin on my coupe with a top, bragging along, he up in the stars. He know I don't fuck with lames, now he calling cause he wants some top. Told him I ain't like that, he said he loves me and he likes my style. Said it's gonna be swollen for a while, maybe a bit, maybe for a while. I said, fuck you mean boy, man up and take this shit clean boy. Said you Celine boy.
This is the story of the reason why I decided to create Lucky Trump and Cheery Joe cereal. When I started my business, I invented these footsoles to make your Converse comfy, and after starting TikTok a few months ago, my business started to explode. Then people started telling me they wanted me to make other cool products such as Vans footsoles, Affiliate Soul clothing line, and Converse roller skates. So I started designing everything, and just as I had everything ready, I realized I needed a lot more money for what I wanted to do, but then stumbled upon how Airbnb helped raise money for their company by creating limited edition cereal based off the 2008 election. So I decided to risk it all and create Lucky Trumps and Cheery Joes to help inspire people to vote and also to help make more cool products for you guys. To give back, there will be 8 golden tickets worth a $500 Visa debit card to help you chase your dream win. The collector's edition is all numbered and ready to go for you to enjoy a gigantic bowl of Cheery Joes or Lucky Trumps.
Fast, 400 on the dash, 55 bills, but 50 for the tax on the bag.
The 10 best fidget toys. If you get built up aggression or tension in your hands, these are perfect to squeeze. I love that they're super simple and don't have any extra parts. Poppers are so big right now. I have 3 shapes and 4 color choices. They have a loud side and a quiet side. They have so many uses. The acupressure rings are super cheap and they have a really unique feel to them. Sometimes the seam where they're put together pops apart, but it's okay, don't throw them away. Pull it apart little by little, it's so satisfying. Mesh and marble are my top recommendation because they're quiet so you can use them anywhere and they'll last you for years. Tangles are a big hit. I have shiny ones and textured ones. Wacky tracks are kind of similar but also very different. Super durable also. Okay, I only got to 5. I'm going to have to do a part 2.